Welcome to the Crypto Boss Andrew family. Let's look at quant, specifically price discovery, and where we could go if we see new all-time highs. Although short term, I do want to look at the short-term price as well. So daily chart right now, RSI is way oversold, due for a bounce. You can't go any lower on the daily chart, sitting at $126. I do have support from previous times I've looked at this around the 118, 120 level. To the resistance, that you have resistance around 150 or $148 if you want to be exact. The 4-hour chart right now. Wait. And also, the daily chart is losing the 200-day moving average as support. The 4-hour chart right now is below the 200-day moving average, all probably about to make a lower high, right? The previous high on the 4-hour chart was 134. I don't think you're going to get there. It's already struggling right now, but we'll see. It's possible. And if you get above 134, you could possibly see a trend reversal on quant. The 1-hour chart right now is trying to make a higher low, so we will see what happens. You're not sitting on support right now. So be cautious, right? But 1-hour chart is oversold, making a higher low. The previous low was 124. Right now you get 126. So maybe it'll just be a double bottom or something. And the 15-minute chart made a higher high here. So 15-minute chart as well, trying to look a little bit bullish here, but right now it's barely making a new high. We'll see what happens. But going out now to the larger time frames, we're going to look at the weekly chart. And I'm going to get rid of this fib, and we're going to delete that. I'm going to delete whatever this is. That was probably pretty old. So the all-time high in quant, at least on the Coinbase chart, was $424. In order to get there, to into price discovery, which would be anything above 424, you would have to break at least short term $150. Then you would have a nice move up, at least for my TA, to $205. Then you'd have another move up to probably $227, and then from $227 on, you basically had a straight shot up to the 429 level, and then when you dumped, you had a straight dump back down, and you didn't really get the first bounce to 150. So to me, honestly, if you break 227, this is still a long ways away. But if you do look in long term, if you break 227, I think you could pump to 430 very quickly, and then from there you'd have to probably use fibs to see where it could take you. But that's kind of what I'm looking at right now. That would be the road to price discovery. I'm not going to look at new targets for price discovery because we're so far away. But I will. That would be how the road to get to price discovery. And honestly, at least on the macro timeframes, you'd only have to break a few resistances to get there. You'd only have to break 3 or basically 4 resistances to get to price discovery, at least on the daily and weekly chart. So with that being said, guys, that's all I got. If you guys enjoyed this video on quant, pretty sure if you hit the like, subscribe button. If you guys have requests for other coins you would like me to look at, let me know in the comment section below.